Major Flores?
General Espanto, maraming salamat. Nakapunta ka. This is Major Glenn Guerrero. This is General Espanto.
Mayor Guerrero? So ikaw pala ang anak ni El Jefe. You know, I've seen all of his movies. Ang tanong, are you as good as your father?
Well, I think I'm better. My dad would agree also.
Well, I don't think the dead can defend himself. I was just joking.
Mayor, General, let's go inside.
Thank you.
Ate. Ate, nandyan na siya. Ano lang gagawin natin? Ilagay mo to kung saan naka-assign yung table ni Espanto. Sa VIP table siya.